Hello guys, I'm resetting the maintenance required on the dash on 23 Toyota Camry. Pretty much you go to the setting, and on the setting you scroll it to settings, and then you go down to vehicle setting and click that. On the vehicle setting you go down to maintenance required and you okay that. Once you okay that, you will see schedule maintenance reset data. You say yes. So once you push yes, that will reset complete. So that's how you reset the maintenance required on the dash on 2023 Toyota Camry. They're all the same, hybrid and regular gas models. And you scroll it down on this and you go from there, and then once you're done you set it back. Well, that's it. That's how you do the maintenance required on 23 Camry. Thank you for watching. If you like it, this video, thumbs up and share it. Thank you.